the court allows for...
Suryagini, we are getting information now that it appears that the hearing has been deferred for now. This is very important. So the High Court hearing, remember, Mamata Banerjee had approached the Kolkata High Court, and for now we're getting information that at least for the next few days that the hearing has been deferred. That's big news coming in. Remember, we're talking about one of the most precise results of Bengal elections. It was about the Chief Minister. Kolkata High Court deferring the hearing of the case for next Thursday. We'll try and get an exact reason of what precisely has happened, but the Kolkata High Court has for now at least till June 24th. So about a week from now, the Kolkata High Court has decided to defer the hearing in the Nandigram verdict case, one of the most crucial election results, because for Mamata Banerjee to have lost the election of her constituency while winning it for the state by TMC was perhaps the biggest setback to her. She's now the Chief Minister, but she believes that something was foul when the counting was done, and therefore she decided to approach the court. But for now, the Kolkata High Court has deferred the hearing, and another few days, in about 24th June is when we hear now that the hearing will restart. Suryagini, it's very interesting because perhaps all eyes were now on the Kolkata High Court. Any information that you're picking up about what precisely led to the postponement on the and deferring the hearing to 24th June?
Well, Pooja, what we need to understand over here is that a petition was moved last night, which was to be heard today. Now, when a party files a petition against another individual or a party, that particular person's lawyers need to be present as well. Now, in a pandemic situation, what needs to be seen is whether Shubhendu's lawyers were present or not, whether or not, you know, any notice was served to Shubhendu's lawyers so far. So these are the nitty-gritties of a court hearing, and maybe for certain reasons on those terms itself, the hearing has been deferred, and as you rightly mentioned, that on the 24th of June, that is next week, this matter will be heard again. But you know, it again something that we need to really look at is what will be, you know, what will happen at that particular hearing. What does the court think of this entire matter? Will they, you know, continue the hearing, send a notice to Shubhendu's lawyers, or you know, they'll you know, completely you know, quash the matter?
Yes.
So it is something that is only, you know...
So Suryagini, quickly, how is this being seen there in Bengal? Have people there in Bengal reclined to the fact that, you know, the decision is taken, let's move on? Or do you think there are people, not just TMC supporters, who believe that the Chief Minister should have gone ahead and has challenged the verdict?
Well, you know, on 2nd of May itself, Mamata Banerjee had clearly mentioned that the way the counting was done, especially for Nandigram, she wasn't satisfied with it. She wasn't happy with it. She even when, you know, even how the results were out at one point of time, there was massive reports that Mamata Banerjee was leading by 92 votes. Then she won by 92 votes. Apparently, you know, there were reports, and then
yes,
after you know, a short while came the final decision in which the ECI.
So it is going by procedure, Suryagini, and she has every right to take a legal recourse, which the party has done. But it has been a hearing that the Kolkata High Court has deferred for now. 24th June is when that petition that Suryagini is telling us about will be heard again. So the Kolkata High Court deferring the hearing in Nandigram verdict case, set to hear it on 24th June. Suryagini, thank you very much.